Symbiosis International Deemed University Pune has released Snap Admit Card on December 5th. Snap 2020 will be conducted on December 20. Candidates wanting to download the Snap Admit Card 2020 can do so by visiting the official website, which is snaptest.org. In this video by Careers 360, we will discuss how to download the admit card, what details will be mentioned on the admit card, and some important instructions related to Snap 2020. How to download the Snap Admit Card 2020. Candidates will have to first visit the official website of Symbiosis International Deemed University, which is snaptest.org, to download the Snap Admit Card. Then they have to click on the Admit Card tab and enter the Snap 2020 register ID and password. Subsequently, the tab saying View and Print Test 1 20 December Admit Card will appear on the screen. Click on the same to get all the details related to the exam date, exam center, candidate's name, ID, instructions, etc. It is advised to check certain details on the Snap Admit Card 2020 carefully. After doing so, the candidates have to download and take a printout of the Snap Admit Card for future reference. Details mentioned on the Snap Admit Card. The details that will be mentioned on the Snap Admit Card are candidate's name, Snap ID of the candidate, test center, date of birth, reporting time, Snap 2020 seat number, photograph of candidate, and candidate's signature. Documents to carry along with the Snap 2020 Admit Card. Along with the Admit Card of Snap 2020, the candidates have to carry other necessary documents too, which are a colored printout of Snap Admit Card 2020. Black and white admit cards for Snap 2020 will not be accepted in the examination center. Latest passport size colored photograph. Any one of the photo ID proofs: voter ID card, passport, driving license, Aadhaar card, or PAN card. Important instructions of Snap 2020. The candidates appearing for Snap 2020 have to adhere to these following instructions, such as ensuring that appearing to the assigned test center latest by 9 am to occupy the assigned seat latest by 10:30 am. Once a test center is selected, requesting for a change will not be entertained. Only latest passport size color photograph on the Snap 2020 admit card will be allowed. The admit card must be stamped by the invigilator at the test center when appearing for the Snap Test 2020. As a part of the identification process, a photograph of the candidate will be captured at the test center. No laptop, cell phone, camera, calculator, beeper, or any similar electronic communication gadget will be allowed at the test center. Candidates will not be allowed to leave the computer lab/test hall for any reason once the Snap Test 2020 has begun. If found that a candidate is violating the instructions of the test invigilator, then he/she will be disqualified. It is also advised to the candidates to read and adhere to the COVID-19 instructions. The candidates must maintain social distancing norms at the entry and exit of the test center. Candidates must bring their own mask, gloves, personal hand sanitizer of 50 ml, transparent water bottle, a simple ball pen, and the exam-related documents such as admit card and ID proofs, etc. No other items will be permitted inside the test center. Candidates showing COVID symptoms will not be allowed to enter into the test center. The temperature of the candidates will be checked at the entry of the test center via a thermogun. Candidates will have to strictly follow directions/instructions given by the representatives. Candidates will be under surveillance coverage throughout the test procedure.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and visit Careers 360 website for more details.